Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be practicing how to use the pen tool, and I'm going to be using this game called the Bezier game. So the link is right here at the top. I'm also going to link it down below in the description box so that you can easily access it. So we're going to be using this game to practice the pen tool, and if you don't know how to use the pen tool at all, I have a video. I'm going to link it also in the description box, so it's going to hover around on the top right so that you can also learn how to use the pen tool from scratch. But if you already know how to use it but you're trying to practice, then that's what this video is going to be about. So without talking too much, let's get started. So the first thing is to try to create this, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click here. I'll hold shift to create a straight line, and when I get to the other end, I'll left click again, hold my shift, and then left click again, and we've done that. Alright, so this is the next shape that we're going to be doing. They're basically giving us a tutorial, and so we'll click here, hold shift, click here, hold shift, click here, hold shift, click here, hold shift, click, hold shift, and then click. The reason we're holding shift is so that we can have a straight line. The next is a circle, which is slightly harder than the one we just did. So I'm going to click here, left click, and drag down. I'm basically trying to mirror their movements, and come here, click and drag to the right. I'll come here, click and drag to upwards. I'll come here, click and drag to the left, and then I'll come here and click, and I've gotten my circle. So now this one, you need to pay attention. We're going to use the Alt key here, and what the Alt key helps us do is it helps us break the handle. Okay, so come here like this, we'll hold Alt. So my bad, I'll press Ctrl Z. If you make a mistake, press Ctrl Z. So I'll come here and I'll drag. I'm dragging towards the right hand side. So once I feel I've gotten what I want, I hold Alt to break the handle, and then I'll take the handle up like this. Then I'll come down here and I'll drag like this. When I feel I've gotten it, I'll hold Alt to break it again, and I'll take it here. Then I'll take it here. Alright, so that's how we did that one. Now there's no tutorial for this one, so from here on out we have to figure it out ourselves. So I'm going to click here, I'll hold shift, click here, hold shift, click here, hold shift. Okay, I'll press Ctrl Z, hold shift, and click here. Then now here I'm going to click and drag like this, and I'll click here, and I'll hold shift and click here, and hold here, click and drag to the left, then click here. If you do it properly, it will end up, if you do it properly at the halfway point, then you won't have an issue doing the other half. Then hold shift and click, hold shift and click, hold shift and click. Then here we're going to drag it to the right hand side. We're trying to make sure that it fits properly. Once you feel it has fit, hold your Alt and drag down like this and click. Then I'm going to keep it on the last and try to make it fit, and so like this. Alright, so we've done the car. We're going to do try to do the aeroplane. So I'm going to click it here, click here, click here. I'll click and drag, click here, click here, click and drag, click here, click here, click here, click here, click here, and click here. Alright, so we've done that. The next one, we'll click here. They're actually giving us a number of nodes, like, so nodes are like the number of points that you can use. So I'll come here, sorry, my bad, I'll press Ctrl Z, I'll click, sorry, click here, click here, click here, my bad, click here, click. Let me see if I can do a semicircle at once. Since I can't, so I'll go halfway, click and drag, come here. Okay, we'll go back, come here, click and drag, come here, click and drag, and then click. Okay, this will be the last one we're going to attempt. So click here, click and drag to get the curve. Click and drag to get the curve, then hold Alt to break your handle. Click here, click and drag to get the curve. Click here, click and drag to get the curve. Click here. Click and drag to get the curve. Hold Alt to break your handle. Click. Okay, I need to go half. So click and drag, click. I don't have any nodes left. So that means at a certain point from here, we actually need to try and get it at once, like this. Then hold Alt and drag. Alright, and then we need to try and get it at once here. Then hold Alt and drag, and then we need to try and get it at once here. We can do it. Let's try going half. Okay, boom, we got it. All right, so I don't know if this was helpful for you, but yeah, I just hope I don't know what I want to say. Just basically try it out on your own and see if you make any progress, right? To be fair, it's been a while since I've played this game or actively used the pencil, so that's why I may be rusty, but either way I am going to publish this video like this. All right, so catch you guys in the next one. Peace, have a nice day.